In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select objects with the same color in Figma, maximizing your designing efficiency and precision. So whether you're a beginner just getting started or a seasoned designer looking for that extra edge, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First things first, head on over to Figma, our go-to collaborative interface design tool. Figma offers a robust platform for designers to create, test, and ship designs collaboratively. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you haven't signed up yet, it's a breeze to create an account, so no worries there. After logging in, you'll be directed to Figma's homepage. This is your central hub where you can access all your files, manage teams, and collaborate with others. Now navigate to the project you want to work on, click on it to open up your design workspace. You'll likely see a variety of elements here, from different shapes to text components making up your design. Next, switch your focus to the design aspect of your project. Click on the design element to enter the area where the magic happens. Here is where you can get down to nitty-gritty details, perfecting your layouts and compositions. Within this design view, any objects you're working on will be clearly visible. Now direct your attention to the right-hand panel, which is where you can access your components. Components in Figma allow you to reuse elements efficiently across your design, saving you time and ensuring consistency. Once in the Components tab, you'll want to locate the specific component that you intend to modify or check for color consistency. Here's the pivotal step. Look for the Selection Colors option. Selection Colors are very clever because they consolidate all the colors used in your selected items. By clicking on this, Figma will reveal every color your selected design components are using. This feature is invaluable, especially when you want to maintain or change a color theme consistently across multiple elements. This is where we really get into selecting objects by color. Simply click on the color swatch you aim to change, and Figma will automatically highlight all the objects in your design that use the exact same color. From here, you can either alter these colors collectively or further analyze their usage to make informed design decisions. It's a straightforward process that significantly enhances your workflow, especially when dealing with complex designs with multiple similar colored elements. That's it, you've now mastered selecting objects with the same color in Figma. This feature is a true game changer for those aiming to improve design efficiency. So take a moment to explore this tool and see how it can revolutionize your workflow. Thanks for joining this quick tutorial, and happy designing.